Okay, hi everyone. Today we'll be going through an interesting angles problem. So, can you solve it? As usual, pause the video right now if you want to try answering this on your own. If not, stay with me till the end of this video to see how I solve it. So, looking at the diagram, we know that EG equals to HG equals to FG. And angle JDG is 65 degrees. HG is perpendicular to EF, and AB is parallel to EF, parallel to DC. Okay, so first of all, we know that this triangle here, EGH, is an isosceles triangle, as well as HGF. This is another isosceles triangle, right? So the key here is actually, how do we find whether EG is equals to GF equals to EF? That is the trick here. From here, then we can go and find angle EHF. So let's take a look. We know that EG equals to HG equals to FG. And let's take a look at HG over here. HG is actually the side of a square, right? So HG equals to side of square. And we know that all the sides of a square are equal, right? So now, let's take a look at EF over here. EF is also equals to the side of a square, right? So EF equals to side of square as well, which means EF is equals to HG, and since HG is equals to EG and FG, triangle EGF is equilateral. So what do we know about equilateral triangles? We know that they are all 60 degrees here. 60 degrees, 60 degrees, and 60 degrees. And because EGH and HGF are both isosceles triangles with both the same length, we can conclude that they are the same triangle. So instead of writing 60, 60, this is 60 divided by 2, which is 30 degrees. So how do we find GHF? Let's find angle GHF first. Angle GHF is 180 degrees minus 30 degrees, whole thing divided by 2, since it's an isosceles triangle. So 150 divided by 2 is 75 degrees. So for A, angle EHF is just 75 degrees times 2, or 150 degrees. Okay, so that's for angle EHF. Okay, let's look at part B, EJD. Okay, so I can easily find angle EDJ, right? Angle EDJ over here is just 90 degrees minus 65 degrees, which is 25 degrees. Okay, so this is 25 degrees. Look over here, angle DEJ. Angle DEJ, we can do the same thing. We take 90 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is 30 degrees. And so for part B, angle EJD is simply 180 degrees, angle sum of triangle minus 30 degrees minus 25 degrees. So 150 minus 25 degrees is 125 degrees. And that is how you solve this problem. Okay? If you enjoyed watching this video and it helped you in any way, feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. And with that, I will see you next week. Thank you.